Namaskar, friends, from the land of Himalayas to the sea. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today we are diving into the world of emotions and learning how to express them in Hindi. Whether you are looking to expand your vocabulary or connect more deeply with Hindi speakers, this video will guide you through the names of different emotions and their meanings. So, friends, let's get started. Emotions are known as bhavnaएं in Hindi. Feelings are known as अनुभूति in Hindi. Happy is known as खुश और प्रसन्न in Hindi. खुश or you could say प्रसन्न. Happiness is known as खुशी or प्रसन्नता. Now, if you have to say you are sad, the Hindi word for sad or unhappy is dukhi. And the Hindi word for sadness is dukh. Love is known as pyar or prem. So you could say pyar or you could say prem. Anger is known as krodh in Hindi. Krodh. And angry is known as gussa. Gussa. Fear is known as dar or you could say bhai in Hindi. Dar or bhai. To express being scared or afraid would be bhaybheet or dara hua. Bhaybheet or dara hua. Surprise is known as ashcharya. Ashcharya. Joyful is anand. Excitement is utsah. Excited is utsahit. Confusion is uljhan. And confused is uljhan mein. To hate is known as ghrina. Embarrassment is sharmindagi. And to be embarrassed is known as sharminda. Jealousy is irsha. And to be jealous is irshalu. Loneliness is expressed as akelapan. And to express being lonely or alone is akela if it's for a man and akeli if it's for a woman. Gratitude is known as abhar. And to be thankful or grateful is known as abhari. Pride or honor is known as garv or gaurav. Worry is known as chinta. To be worried is known as chintit. Tiredness is known as thakan. And to be tired is thakna. And simply to say tired, a man would say thaka hua and a woman would say thaki hui. Hope is known as asha. And to be hopeful is ashanvit. So friends, मैं आशा करती हूँ, that is, I hope you enjoyed learning these Hindi words for different emotions and will find it helpful in expressing yourself better in Hindi. Friends, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more Hindi learning tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy learning and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.